Samaya, and we are still on the same hill as the Ventura School for Girls, but unfortunately it is now private property, so we're not allowed to film there. But the Whittier State Reformatory started in 1891 for girls with an enrollment of 300 students. The school concentration was on juvenile delinquent discipline, employment, education, reformation, and protection. The girls were trained to cook, housekeep, and sew, and they also went to school for 3 hours every day. The goal of this program was for the girls to find safe homes and jobs once they graduated high school. Whittier's Girls Department became self-sufficient in 1913. The school for girls now is permanently closed and is now a hospital. Thank you for listening. Like, subscribe, and comment down below. And check out our other videos for the Radical Walking Tour. Thank you. Bye.